We are kicking things off with the latest market movers. Shares of Qualcomm Incorporated traded down nearly 5% on Monday, hitting a low of $166.83, and analysts are weighing in with mixed opinions, with some upgrading their outlook while others maintain caution. We dive into the latest on QCOM stock performance and what it means for your portfolio.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, get ready for some major tech and sports crossover news. Qualcomm Technologies has officially partnered with NASCAR to name the brand new San Diego race track the Qualcomm Circuit, setting the stage for an incredible event at Naval Base, Coronado this summer. Find out how this massive collaboration is bringing cutting-edge connectivity to the world of motorsports. The innovation doesn't stop there. Intel is making a huge strategic move by appointing Alex Katoosian to lead their client computing and physical AI group, signaling a major push to integrate AI into physical devices and redefine what client computing means. We break down what this means for Intel's future in the AI era. And finally, we look at the details of this historic race. NASCAR has officially announced the name of the new San Diego track as the Qualcomm Circuit, celebrating the 250th anniversary of the United States Navy. Don't miss any of the action this summer. Stay tuned right here for all the breaking news. Qualcomm stock experienced a significant downturn on Monday, trading down 4.9% to close at $168.38, having dipped as low as $166.83 during trading. The stock saw high trading volume, with 23,039,708 shares traded, marking a 78% increase from the average session volume of 12,921,165 shares, following a previous close of $177.01. Several equity analysts have recently issued varied ratings on Qualcomm shares. Summit Insights upgraded the stock from a hold to a buy rating. In contrast, Seaport Research Partners reissued a sell rating and set a $100 price objective. Weiss Ratings maintained a hold C rating, while Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft reaffirmed a hold rating with a $160 target price. Sanford C. Bernstein reiterated a market perform rating and set a $140 target price, which is lower than their previous $175 target. Overall, analyst sentiment shows a mixed view. One analyst rated the stock a strong buy, 8 gave a buy rating, 15 assigned a hold rating, and 4 issued a sell rating. Data aggregated from channel YouTube indicates an average analyst rating of hold and an average price target of $172.40. Financially, Qualcomm maintains solid metrics, including a quick ratio of 1.61, a current ratio of 2.37, and a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.54. The company's 50-day moving average stands at $135.69, and the 200-day moving average is $155.24. The market capitalization is $179.66 billion, with a price-to-earnings ratio of 18.3 and a beta of 1.49. Regarding recent performance, Qualcomm reported earnings on April 29th, posting $2.65 EPS for the quarter, narrowly beating consensus estimates of $2.56 by 9 cents. Quarterly revenue reached $10.6 billion, slightly exceeding the consensus of $10.59 billion. The company demonstrated strong profitability with a return on equity of 42.11% and a net margin of 22.31%, although quarterly revenue was down 3.5% year-over-year. Looking ahead, Qualcomm has set guidance for Q3 2026, projecting EPS between 2.1 and 2.3. Analysts anticipate the company will post 8.18 EPS for the current year. In dividend news, the company disclosed a quarterly dividend to be paid on June 25th, with investors of record on June 4th receiving 92 cents per share, marking an increase from the previous 89 cents per share. The dividend payout ratio is currently 40%. Furthermore, the board of directors approved a $20 billion share buyback program on March 17th, authorizing the company to repurchase up to 14.5% of its stock. This action suggests the board views the stock as undervalued. Insider trading activity has been noted, including EVP Akash J. Palkiwala selling 2,500 shares on April 13th, and CAO Patricia Y. Gretsch selling 192 shares on April 30th. Insiders collectively sold 9,310 shares over the last 3 months, representing 0.05% of the company's stock. Large institutional investors have also made moves, with Cloud Capital Management LLC acquiring a new position, Richardson Financial Services, Inc., significantly increasing its holdings by 90.9%, Torin Management LLC acquiring a new position, and Kadong International Asset Management Co. Limited increasing its stake by 17,000% during the fourth quarter. Institutional and hedge funds collectively own 74.35% of Qualcomm stock. Qualcomm, headquartered in San Diego, California, is a global leader in semiconductor and telecommunications equipment, central to evolving digital cellular standards. Its core business encompasses the design and sale of semiconductor products like Snapdragon SoCs, cellular modems, and connectivity solutions for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, targeting automotive, IoT, networking, and edge computing applications. NASCAR is set to host its first event on an active military base this summer, marking a significant milestone for the sport. The race, scheduled to take place at Naval Base Coronado, will be dubbed the Angeral 250, but the course itself has been officially named the Qualcomm Circuit, a tribute to the San Diego-based tech giant Qualcomm Technologies, which partnered with NASCAR to develop the track. The circuit is a 16-turn, 3.4-mile facility, and its creation is seen by Qualcomm as a way to establish a special place within the San Diego race weekend and tell a local story. Qualcomm's chief marketing officer, Don McGuire, emphasized the deep synergy between sports and technology. He noted that in the current data-driven tech revolution, sports and technology are becoming synonymous, enhancing everything from performance and fan experience to stadium operations and broadcasting. A key focus for the event is connectivity. Given the location on an active Navy base, Qualcomm is providing advanced Wi-Fi 7 connectivity to ensure attendees, race operations, and fans can maintain seamless social media engagement. McGuire stated, "Our main goal is to make sure that people have the most advanced Wi-Fi 7 connectivity experience that they can have." Furthermore, the broadcast partners are collaborating to offer viewers a unique experience, utilizing Snapdragon technology for a special vantage point shot on a smartphone during a remote turn, a setup dubbed Snapdragon Stadium. Qualcomm views the event as an opportunity to deepen its presence in the sports market, leveraging NASCAR's passion point to connect emotionally with fans. Construction on the Qualcomm Circuit is slated to begin in late May, with the NASCAR San Diego weekend commencing on Friday, June 19. Fans are currently expected to be permitted on base for the event. Intel is executing a significant strategic pivot, expanding its focus beyond traditional personal computers into the realm of physical artificial intelligence systems. The company has appointed Alex Katuzian as Executive Vice President and General Manager of the Client Computing and Physical AI Group. Katuzian, formerly with Qualcomm, will be tasked with aligning Intel's client computing business with emerging applications in robotics and autonomous machines. This move underscores Intel CEO Lip-Bu Tan's vision that AI is fundamentally reshaping client computing and physical AI systems, signaling an intent to embed Intel's technology directly into intelligent physical devices, thereby broadening the company's market reach. This strategic alignment aims to challenge competitors like Qualcomm by moving Intel beyond simply supplying processors for AI-enabled devices to becoming a core component within those devices themselves. Catusian's role will be crucial in scaling innovation, building upon Intel's existing strengths in AI PC development and edge inference to accelerate the future of physical AI systems. Further reinforcing this technological ambition, Pushkar Ranade has been permanently appointed as Chief Technology Officer. In this capacity, Ranade will oversee the development of nascent fields such as quantum computing and photonics, while also serving as Chief of Staff to the CEO. This dual role emphasizes Intel's commitment to integrating fundamental technological advancements directly with core business objectives. Ranade's mandate includes driving development in areas where the company currently lacks market dominance, including neuromorphic computing and novel materials, signaling a long-term commitment to redefining computing architectures beyond the constraints of traditional scaling models. Collectively, the appointments of Catusian and Ranade represent a concerted effort to redefine Intel's position in the computing ecosystem. The overarching theme is the recognition that AI is creating unprecedented opportunities at the edge, necessitating a fundamental shift in how client computing and physical AI systems are developed and integrated. NASCAR has officially unveiled the name for its new San Diego track, marking a significant development ahead of its inaugural race this summer. The 3.4-mile venue, located at the Coronado Naval Base in Southern California, will host the annual 250 on Father's Day, June 21st, making it the first race ever held on an active U.S. military base. The circuit has been named the Qualcomm Circuit, with the San Diego-based technology company securing the naming rights for the historic venue. NASCAR President Amy Lupo stated that the partnership aligns perfectly with the track's ethos, emphasizing that the Qualcomm Circuit represents the future of motorsports, built with precision and performance while honoring the history of Naval Base Coronado and celebrating the 250th anniversary of the United States Navy. Qualcomm Incorporated echoed this sentiment. Don McGuire, EVP and Chief Marketing Officer for Qualcomm, highlighted the synergy between innovation and racing. He noted that the partnership honors San Diego's pioneering spirit and celebrates the U.S. Navy, positioning the Qualcomm Circuit as a showcase for high-performance competition, similar to how Qualcomm's AI technologies are driving future mobility. In terms of the track layout, Fox's Bob Pockrass reported further course adjustments, indicating NASCAR has added a small kink at turn 12 and a chicane before turn 16 on the map. The event timing is designed to coincide with the summer celebrations of the U.S. Navy's 250th anniversary, mirroring events like the IndyCar's Freedom 250 Grand Prix in Washington, D.C.